Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चे. How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, class. Very good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, बच्चे. Good morning.
Morning,
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Is the screen visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I hope you all
Good
have.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Bacha. Karthik, do you have any sister in the school?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I had the brother.
Which class?
Ma'am, he left the school in 10th class.
What was his name?
Ma'am, Satvik Chauhan.
Satvik Chauhan. Okay, where is he now?
Ma'am, now he is studying in a Delhi school.
Okay, Fitzi.
No, ma'am, Akash.
Acha, Akash Institute. Okay, Satvik. Good.
Ma'am, last period you said there's a girl who looks like me.
But I don't have her picture. What to do? I'll ask her.
No.
Ah,
Now you said to Karthik that
Good morning,
is
ma'am.
there any brother or sister?
but then see, he said yes, he had his brother in the school. Isn't it? See, some people, some names, some faces, they remind you of people. So in such cases, of course, like see, being a teacher for teaching for so long, there have been many students, who have come across us. Then now their younger brothers, sisters, we are teaching. Right?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. As you
Yes, ma'am.
can see the screen. In the last class, we started with the new chapter, right? Sorry, last
Yes,
class
ma'am.
we completed the question answers, and today we have to start with the new chapter. That is, what is the name of the chapter?
Water
Water
resource.
Water resources. So before we start with the class, a quick attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? This is C section. Okay. We have Alind in the class.
Present, ma'am.
That's good. Then Arav. Is Arav there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Do we have Aditi Gupta? Aditi Gupta?
Present.
Aditya Kumar Gangwar?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay. Aditya Mishra? Aditya Mishra is not there. Agrima Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Alishba Fatima?
Present, ma'am.
Then Angel?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Angel Anand?
Present, ma'am.
Ansh Patel? Ansh Patel, are you there? Okay, Ansh is not there. Then Anushka Sharma?
Present, ma'am.
How are you, Anushka?
Present, ma'am.
How are you? I'm asking you. Good?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody at home good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ayush Agarwal. Where is Ayush Agarwal? Not there. Then Ayushi Vashisht. Not there. Bhavya Tyagi. Chaitanya Agarwal. Chaitanya Agarwal. Is Chaitanya there in the class? No. Karthik Chauhan? No. Then Karthike? Many are missing today. Khushi Rathod? Krishna Gupta?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Khushi is present. Then Krishna Gupta? Krishna, are you there? No, he's not there.
Ma'am, Karthik is in the class. Ma'am, he got connected for a while.
So he got disconnected. So Karthike, are you there, beta?
I'm Karthik Chauhan.
Okay, Karthik Chauhan is there in the class. Fine. Krishna Gupta not there. Lakshanya Arora? Lakshanya, are you there? Laksh Kumar? Meghavi Prasad?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Meghavi?
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Faham? Muskan Chaudhary?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Navya Goel?
Present, ma'am.
Neruz?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Payal is there. Payal is there. Pranjal Gangwar? Sorry, Pranjal Gupta. Pranjal Gupta, not there. Pratyush Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Priya Gangwar?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ridhima?
Present, ma'am.
Saksham Patel?
Present, ma'am.
Saksham Sahu?
Present, ma'am.
Swastik Sansaria?
Present, ma'am.
Tanishka Chaudhary? Not there. Tarini?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Utkarsh Tomar?
Present,
Ved?
Present, ma'am.
How is Ved doing?
Ma'am, nice.
Okay. Vidushi? Do we have Vidushi in the class? No. Yashraj?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Have I left any name? Okay, all taken.
Ma'am, Ansh Patel is left. Ma'am, actually I joined it.
Okay, Ansh Patel. Fine, I have marked you present now. Fine. Ayushi Vashish never attends any of the classes. She's not regular. Yes, class?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
She's not done.
No, ma'am.
I think last time when we started, in the last class which we started with the introduction of the chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we discussed about the different sources and what we do with the water.
Yes, we read about the basically that was the significance of water that we did. That means various uses of water that we have, right? So we all know that water am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, but the voice is coming bit slow.
Now you tell me. Now my voice is coming or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. See, we all know water is something that is present everywhere. Even the human body comprises the maximum percent of water is there in the human body, right? Right? So water is available.
Yes, ma'am.
Water is available on the surface of Earth in various forms, right? There are various water bodies that give us water. Now talking about the presence of water is present in various forms, in the solid forms, in the liquid forms, and in the gaseous form also in the atmosphere. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
When I ask
Yes,
you, solid form of water, in which condition the water is available on Earth?
Ma'am, ice.
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 Very good. Very good.
Yes,
When I
Ma'am,
ma'am.
dry. No, not dry ice.
gaseous, when I say gaseous,
Ma'am, vapors, water
Water
vapor.
vapor.
Water vapors.
Very good.
Vapor.
Very good. And when I say liquid,
Ma'am, normal water.
Water.
Normal water.
it is present in the oceans, seas, right? Rivers,
Rivers.
lakes,
Yes,
ponds.
ma'am.
And I think last time I told you to tell me when I say water, what comes to your mind, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Some source of life.
So
What
we,
we drink.
so and somebody gave me this answer that water is the essential part of life, right? Who was that?
ma'am.
Who was that?
Ayush.
Okay. Yes, Chaitanya is facing any problem or tired? Chaitanya?
Yes, ma'am.
I am asking all clear and understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. See, when we when we talk of the significance of water, we are basically talking about various uses of water. Right? Now, one by one, you are going to tell me various uses. Right? Payal, use of water.
Ma'am, for bathing, washing clothes, and drinking,
Okay,
washing utensils.
fine. We can say there are various uses of water when it comes to household work, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Alishba.
Yes.
Alishba,
Ma'am, hydroelectricity.
very good. For production of hydroelectricity, very good. Yash Raj,
Ma'am, uses in factory to cool down the machines.
very good. It is used in industries as coolant to cool down the machines, and moreover, it is also used in the food and the beverage industries
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
processing of the food and for
Yes, ma'am.
right, making the
I'm in
sauce.
food industry.
Very good. Ved,
Ma'am, transportation.
very good. How water is used for transportation? Can you tell? Elaborate.
Ma'am, through ships.
Through ships. Very good. The ocean route or the sea route that we have. Very good. Very good. Can we have Angel Anand telling the answer? Just a second, Agrima. Angel, are you there? Angel?
Ma'am, Angel Anand or me?
Angel Anand I was looking for, but I think she left the meeting. Huh? Never mind. Okay, Angel, you tell beta.
Ma'am, it is used in irrigation, agricultural practices.
Okay, it is used as a source of irrigation for irrigating the fields, right? Yes, Agrima.
water bodies like oceans and rivers are a home to marine life.
Okay, very good. They support the marine life. Very good. The aquatic animals which are there, they survive in the seas, oceans, and the rivers that we have. Okay. Yashraj has to say something.
Ma'am, entertainment purpose too. Like in
Entertainment.
Holi or we are doing swimming.
Okay. Right. I think last time when I asked you, somebody said that water parks and all you people spoke about, no? So water
Yes,
of course,
ma'am.
is how it can be used as a it can be used for the sports activity also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, that is why I say entertainment purpose.
Okay. But for some it is entertainment and for some it is a fearing factor. Some people are very scared of water.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, it is a disease, I think so.
it is a kind of phobia, beta. It is a kind of
Ma'am,
phobia.
hydrophobia.
Hmm.
Ma'am, hydrophobia.
Okay, I don't know, but maybe if you're telling, so correct. Very good. Right. Any other use that is left?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Precipitation.
bodies like
Yes. oceans
and
Ma'am,
like
transportation.
oceans provide a route for trading in many countries.
I think transportation, beta, transportation is told by Ved. Ved has just now told about transportation only.
Ma'am, recreational use like swimming.
Yes, it is used for recreation. Very good. What else?
And precipitation.
Ma'am, for watering
How
plants.
precipitation, Chaitanya?
Ma'am, in precipitation, we can use that water use the water.
Beta, you were not clear, beta, bache. Can you please speak again?
Precipitation means the rain. So when the sun hits, it can use through the water cycle.
Okay. Okay. When we say precipitation, we are basically, yes, Ridhima.
Ma'am, the aquatic life is a source of income for many people.
Yes, the aquatic life that we have, it is a source of,
Ma'am, excuse me.
yes, yes, Raj.
Ma'am, is water used in making chemicals?
Of course.
Yes, ma'am, that I was going to say.
Mhm.
Ma'am, making chemicals.
Okay. It is used in, very good. Any other use that is left?
Ma'am, water is provided by plants.
Yes, in the form
Ma'am,
of,
for generating hydroelectricity.
somebody said that in the beginning only. Okay. So there are various uses of water. One point you are still missing.
Ma'am, to moderate the climate.
Yes. Water also moderates the climate. If you see the coastal regions, they are neither very hot nor they are very cold. It is all because of the water that moderates the temperature of the coastal regions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, class? Okay. So this was all about the uses of water or the significance of
Ma'am, excuse
water.
me.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, you were saying one of the uses left. What was that?
This only, climate trala only.
Ma'am,
Nobody
can you
said
tell
this.
it again?
See,
I didn't heard it.
Okay, okay, you could not hear it properly. Fine. See, water acts as a moderator. It moderates the climate of the areas which are nearby. Like all the coastal regions that we have, they have a moderate climate. They are neither very hot nor they are very cold. It is because of the effect of water, right?
Ma'am, understood.
Very good. Now,
Ma'am, trees also used to do this.
trees also do it, but then trees are more helpful in bringing precipitation than moderating the climate.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right? Right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the distribution of water. Now when we say distribution of water, we are basically talking about that what percentage is available in which form, right? Like we all know that the 2/3 of the earth is covered with water. But out of this 2/3 of water that we have, We have 97% of water in the seas and oceans. Now, this 97% of the water that we have in seas and ocean, it is not of any use. Reason being, they are saline, right? And saline water cannot be used for any purposes. The Arabic countries which are there, these countries, they face lot of problem because they have water, but then it is all saline.
Ma'am, we cannot filter it.
Right? How?
Ma'am, we cannot filter it.
We can filter it better, but then it requires a lot of cost. Like, you know, in Dubai, there are many filter plants which are using
Yes, ma'am.
using the saline water to they are using water after filtering it, but then that filtration cost, those filters are very costly. Reason being, saline water
Okay,
destroys. We all know that when saline water comes in contact with, you know, normal substances, it tends to destroy it because of the high level of salt present, high percentage of salt that is there in the water, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. Then, talking about the 2%, we all know that the ice caps and the glaciers that we have, it has almost 2% of the water that is on the earth, right? But then again, these ice caps and glaciers, they are of no use to us. Of course, they are useful to us, but then when it comes on directly using water, we cannot use them directly. We need to melt them, and then only we can make use of the water that we have in the solid form, right? Now, talking about the 1% that is remaining. So, only 1% of the water is used by the humans. And out of that 1% of water that we have, 0.01% is the fresh water. Right? Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
this fresh water, can you tell me what is the source of this fresh water?
Ma'am, rivers,
Ma'am,
rain.
underground water.
Ma'am, rain.
Only and only rains. Only and only rains are the source of fresh water on the surface of earth, right? Chaitanya, what are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaitanya, are you sleeping? Chaitanya,
Am I listening to? No, ma'am.
but your eyes are closed.
Yes, ma'am.
I thought you are sleeping.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
okay, fine, Chaitanya, fine. So that 0.01% of water that we use is the fresh water, and rains are the only source of the fresh water, right? This much is clear and understood.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the third topic that we have, it is the fresh water. See, we all know that fresh water is one of the most valuable natural resources that we have on the surface of earth. And okay, one thing I forgot to ask you. When we talk of the resources, we always categorize them into renewable and non-renewable, right? Right?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
can you tell me, is water a renewable resource or a non-renewable resource?
Ma'am, renewable resource.
Ma'am, renewable.
Okay.
Resource.
Okay. Can Ved tell me that how water is a renewable resource? How do we regain that water that we have used?
Ma'am, by filtering it in the industries.
No. No. Anybody
Ma'am,
else?
by water cycle.
By water
Ma'am, water
cycle. Very good. Yes. Who said this water cycle? Yes, Raj?
Ma'am, I.
Uh,
Ma'am, Aditya.
Ma'am, I
Aditya.
didn't said.
Okay, fine. Aditya. Very good. See, water cycle is the source of renewing water. Now, who will tell me about water cycle? Can anybody tell Payal?
And first from the rivers, due to heat, the water evaporates.
Hmm.
Then it forms in the form of clouds. And when clouds become heavy, the water falls as rain. Then it again the cycle continues like this.
Very good. Very good. See, when the water cycle is the only process through which we renew the water. Every time the rains come, they bring a good amount of water on the surface of earth. That water goes underground, increases the ground level, the underground level water, and then the rivers and other water sources that we have, they are they are filled with water, right? So this is how water is recycled or renewed, we can say. Okay, right, class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now, when we talk of the distribution of water, we all know that water is unevenly distributed throughout the world, right? Not every country has
Yes, ma'am.
ample of water resources, right? It is completely unevenly distributed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, before
Yes,
we,
ma'am.
before we move further,
Ma'am,
let's-
excuse me.
yes, sir.
Ma'am, you can see in the map, right? The amount of rains.
Yes.
So, ma'am, in South America at the last, see at the end, ma'am, it's gray and light gray. So, ma'am, what are they like? No scale is given for them.
They are closer to the water body, no? So there sufficient amount of water is there. It does not lack in water resources.
Ma'am, I am
Rain.
saying about the rain.
It is talking about the rain only. Of course, a sufficient amount of rain is received.
Ma'am, is it too much rain? Ma'am, dogs start barking.
Yes. Of course, there is too much of rain. Coastal regions, of course, because of the effect of the moderating effect of the water, no, they receive sufficient amount of water. Okay.
Okay.
Chalo. So before we proceed on, let us do the.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I am also having a doubt regarding map. Ma'am, in the last class, you have given the homework of this map to
Yes.
do in the geography
Draw.
notebook.
Yes.
Ma'am, there are two brown colors given in the map. Ma'am,
One is-
one brown
Is light and
one
is
brown
dark.
is indicating 1,000 to 5,000 and one brown is indicating over 5,000. So, ma'am, where is the second brown color?
Beta,
There is only one brown color in the
beta,
map.
3 brown colors are there. One is of skin texture, very light. One is little lighter, little darker than the skin texture, and
Brown
one
is
is
very
very
less
dark.
map.
One is very dark. 3 shades of brown.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, second brown is in the Europe.
Ma'am, in downwards of Australia also.
Below Australia also,
And
yes.
India, there is not brown.
That is dark
There
brown.
is but one area only. Around 200.
And the light brown is not outlined by black color.
No, dark brown and light brown. See, they are talking about the rainfall in millimeters.
Ma'am, actually, light
annual.
brown is in the Europe.
Some parts of Europe we have light brown. See, there are several regions in the world where one part receives ample of water rainfall and the other part hardly receives any water. Like if you just take example of our country, India receives ample of rainfall in the Mawsynram region, which is there in Meghalaya. The percentage
Yes,
of rainfall
ma'am.
that is received is maximum, and on the other side, western Rajasthan, if you see, hardly rain is there. It is completely a
Yes,
dry
ma'am.
region, right? So it is all because of the climatic conditions that we have, or the location of the place, right? How far it is from the sea level, what is the altitude, what is the height. There are several factors which are responsible for it. I think class 7th people have done this, right?
No.
Chalo, fine. So let us have file reading. The first paragraph, page 149.
Chapter 3, Water Resources. Water is present on Earth in all its forms. The ocean, seas, lakes, rivers, and ponds constitute surface water. Water that is found in the pores of rocks under the surface of Earth is called groundwater. Water is also present in the form of ice sheets in polar and high mountain regions. Water vapor in the air is a gaseous form of water on Earth. Water supports all forms of life on Earth and is very important natural resource. In fact, the term water is synonymous with life. More?
Fine. Anything in this to be explained?
No, ma'am.
Sorry.
Ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Let us have Alishba reading. Significance of water up till purposes. Hmm. Yes, Alishba, read beta.
Significance of water. Water is very precious natural resource and is useful to us in a number of ways. We use water for our domestic purposes like drinking, cooking, bathing and washing. Water from rivers and lakes is used for irrigation, thereby helping agriculture. Underground water is drawn through wells and tube wells and used for both domestic as well as agriculture purposes. Water is required for our industries too, for cleaning and cooling the machines. When water falls from a height, as in waterfalls or dams, it can be harnessed to generate hydroelectricity. Large water bodies like seas and oceans help in moderating the climate of the coastal regions. The ocean waters are home to a great variety of marine life, which is a source of occupation for many people. Rivers, seas, and oceans serve as a means of transport. Both inland and international waterways are the main arteries of trade and commerce. Plants absorb water from the soil. Water also forms an important constituent of the body weight of animals. The water vapor in the atmosphere is responsible for providing all the fresh water on the earth through precipitation.
Fine. Any of the point in these which is not understood or not clear? Class?
No, ma'am.
All clear and
No, ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Coming to distribution of water. Can we have Yashraj reading?
Although about 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered by water, very little of it can actually be used by us. About 97% of Earth's water is in oceans and seas. This is saline water and is not suitable for human consumption. Another 2% of water is in the form of ice caps and glaciers, which cannot be used by us. Thus, only 1% of water is easily available and fit for human use. Ma'am, may I read fresh water too?
Wait. Anything in this to be explained
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
and understood, right? Okay, fine. Coming to the fresh water. Okay, Yashraj, only the fresh water part till properly.
Fresh water is one of the most valuable natural resources on earth. Water is a renewable source and its total volume is more or less constant over the earth, yet it needs to be conserved and managed properly.
Fine. Now coming to the distribution. Tarini.
Mary,
Tarini.
Distribution. Fresh water is unevenly distributed in the world. This is mainly due to differences in climatic conditions. In regions where precipitation is more than evaporation, there is excess water. The regions where precipitation is in excess are located between the equator and 20° north and south latitudes. In
Okay,
regions
wait,
between-
Tarini. Now,
Yes.
can you tell me why the regions where precipitation is excess located between between the equator 20° north to south 20° latitudes? What is the reason? Can anybody tell?
And because hot climate.
Yes, Alishba, very good. It is because of the direct falling of the sun on the equator, right? You have read about the heat
Yes,
zones?
ma'am.
You have read about the heat zones?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
because of the excess sun rays that are falling on the surface of Earth, excessive evaporation is taking place. And because of the excess evaporation that takes place, the amount of moisture in the air becomes very high. The vapors that are there, it is very high. And the clouds are not able to hold that water that has condensed. So ultimately, it is said on equators, people, they match the timings of their watches when it rains, because sharp at 4, it rains in equators. All the places closer to equator, they receive ample of rainfall every evening. You must have observed this, that during rainy season, because of continuous rain that is there and the amount of water that is present on the surface of earth, the evaporation process is very high during that time, and the moisture content in the air is also very high. So what happens?
Yes,
Sometimes
ma'am.
when it is very humid, it rains.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
must have observed this,
Yes.
right? So same
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
happens. Same thing happens on the equators, and every day 4 o'clock rains are there. And this type of rain that equator receives is called as conventional rainfall. You must have done this in class 9th. Sorry,
Yes,
class 7th.
Ma'am,
Conventional.
ma'am, conventional means being regular.
Conventional is basically the currents that are there, no? Convection currents that are produced. So because of that,
Okay,
this
ma'am.
rainfall takes place. Okay. Right?
Ma'am, it is also known as 4 o'clock rain.
It is also called as 4 o'clock rain. Very good. Very good. Fine. Okay, carry on reading. Who was reading? Tarni was reading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tarni, carry on.
In regions between 20° and 40° north and south latitudes, evaporation is more than precipitation. This has resulted in the formation of deserts in these regions. Sources. The main source of fresh water is rain. It accumulates as surface water in the rivers and lakes. Surface water is then extracted through pipes or canals drawn from rivers and lakes. Rainwater also seeps into the earth's surface, and part of it is stored as groundwater. Wells and tube wells are used to extract groundwater. The upper level of groundwater below the earth's surface is known as water table. It varies from season to season and from place to place.
Very good. We'll continue reading and explanation part in the next class. Okay. Let us have Agrima doing the
ma'am.
reading. Agrima, read.
Okay, ma'am. Scarcity of water. With the rapid increase in population, modernization of agricultural techniques, increasing urbanization, and change in consumption patterns, many parts of the world today are faced with the problem of water scarcity. A number of the existing sources have dried up and many others have become polluted. The regions suffering from most are the Northern Africa, Central and West Asia, the Middle East, parts of South Asia, parts of South America, and Central and Western Australia. Reasons: unequal distribution of rainfall is the main reason for water scarcity. Moreover, the countries or regions that have water deficit are also usually poor and underdeveloped. They cannot afford to import water from other countries or transport water over long distances from the surplus regions. Most of these regions are also densely populated, which puts pressure on the consumption of water. By the year 2025, 65 countries, including India, Korea, Nigeria, Peru, and Poland, are likely to face shortage of water.
Okay. Poor quality of water. Ridhima.
Poor quality of water. Besides scarcity of water, the poor quality of water is an equally serious problem. Availability of clean water is a challenge that we are faced with. Untreated or partly treated sewage, cleaning fluids that are flushed down drains, pesticides, chemical fertilizers, leakage from petrol and diesel tanks, and industrial effluents are the major contaminants of the sources of fresh water. Use of contaminated sources of use of contaminated water causes serious diseases such as typhoid, cholera, hepatitis,
Dysentery.
dysentery, and diarrhea. Lead present in water is harmful for the nervous system.